Hi everybody, welcome to AutoTecPro. Today we are introducing our newest version of the infotainment system for Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the features that come with the system as well. Let's talk about the hardware specification of the system. The system comes with 9 inches high definition screen. It also comes with the Qualcomm chipset. That means you can also insert the SIM card to the unit to access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. And of course, if you don't want to use the SIM card, you can always just share the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone to access the internet. It's going to be the same. The system also comes with the offline navigation, so you don't need to connect any data to use the GPS. The system also comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system also compatible with the original backup camera and steering wheel control if that one comes with your car. Let's try the radio first. As you can see, it's very nice. You can also change the volume and play on the DSP. The system also comes with the DSP as well. It also comes with the equalizer. It also comes with the smart bass, balance, audio delay. It's fully customized. You can also change any setting here based on your personal preference. Other than that, you can also download any different kind of application, such as the Instagram, Google Map. The Google Map is the newest version. It also comes with the offline navigation. How to use the offline navigation of Google Map? First of all, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. How to connect the Wi-Fi? Just pull down the menu, hold the Wi-Fi icon, turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone, and then click on this one, offline map. Select your own map, and then you can download the map in your area to the unit. Once you download the map to the system, next time when you use a Google Map, you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi anymore. You can just use the Google Maps, such as the offline navigation. It's very user friendly. When you click on this one, as you can see, it's very nice. The screen resolution actually is gorgeous. It also comes with a tiny screen protector on top, as you can see. And other than that, of course, it also comes with video emotion. This feature mostly for the passenger, the driver better to focus on driving. You can also go to YouTube right here. You can search video. As you can see, it's very nice. You can also enjoy all the movie right here. It also comes with the Sirius XM, as you can see. Other than that, of course, you can also go to YouTube. You can download the Netflix, Prime Video, any different kind of application. The system actually is very smooth. You don't feel any laggy on the system. The CPU actually is very, very fast. And of course, if your car comes with a backup camera, the system also supports the original backup camera as well. It also comes with the active guideline. The light will turn based on the angle of the steering wheel. The system also comes with multiple film. You can change the color of the film right here based on your personal preference. Other than that, you can also go back to go to setting, go to car infotainment, go to display. You can also change different film here. It's fully customized. It's very nice. You can also change the backlight color. When you turn on the headlight, as you can see, you can also change the color here. For example, if I want it to be wet, you can change to wet or blue based on your personal preference. You can also change the brightness here. This system also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay. It also supports the newest version of the iOS 18. In order to use the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, first of all, you need to pair the Bluetooth to the system as well. First of all, turn on the Bluetooth here, and then go to Bluetooth menu, go to Bluetooth here, search the Bluetooth device name, click on Connect, pair, allow. The system will automatically bring up the CarPlay menu and then also click Connect on the cell phone. Now you are gonna pair the wireless Apple CarPlay with the system. Every time when you get into the car, the system will automatically connect the Apple CarPlay with your cell phone. As you can see, it's very nice. It comes with two interfaces. One is the split screen feature, and the other one is the classic screen. The classic view of the CarPlay, it will show you all the icons right here. It provides with the phone call, media player, you can play the music, the navigation, and also the text-to-speech feature as well. You can also use the GPS right here. It also comes with the voice control. How to use the voice control here? Basically, just hold the bottom left corner here. What's the temperature today?
The high temperature today will be 23 degrees Celsius, and the low will be 16 degrees Celsius.
As you can see, it's very nice. You also show you the menu right here. Or bring me to the gas station.
One possibility I see is Esso on Kennedy Road in Markham, a little over a kilometer to your east.
It's very nice. If you want to go back to the main menu, just click on car and then you can bring it back to the main menu right here. If you want to go back, then you can just go back to the Apple CarPlay. Basically, just click on Auto Link and then it will bring you back to here. You can also change the wallpaper of the Apple CarPlay. You can change all this kind of wallpaper here. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.